Hello students, today we will study quantum number. What is it? The number which determine the position and direction of electron is known as quantum number. There are four types of quantum number: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. Principal quantum number is determined by small n. Azimuthal quantum number denoted by L, magnetic quantum number denoted by small m, and spin quantum number is denoted by S. First, principal quantum number. The number which determines the principal energy level of an electron is known as principal quantum number. As we have studied earlier that there are K and L shells are there, electrons are there. In which shell how many electrons is to be filled is known by principal quantum number. See, it is written, it is denoted by small n. It gives information about number of shells in an element. In any shell, the maximum number of electron is 2n square, where n is a principal quantum number. For example, if we are writing 1, what will happen? 2 electrons means in first shell 2 electrons is to be filled. If you will 2, that much number of electrons is to be filled in second L shell. As n increases, as number of n increases here, atomic radius will increase. As n increases, effective nuclear charge decreases. Effective nuclear charge decreases. As a result, its ionization potential, electron affinity and electron negativity decreases. With the increase of size, everything is decreasing. Electron affinity and ionization, electron affinity, negativity, everything decreased. Azimuthal quantum number. The number which gives information about subshells is known as azimuthal quantum numbers. See, it is denoted by L. Value of L depends on n, right? Azimuthal depends on the principal quantum number, and principal quantum number is denoted by n. Azimuthal is quantum number is denoted by L. For each value of n, L will have a range of 0 to n, 0 to 1. L is 0 to n is 1 means कि अगर हम n तो हम n means principal quantum number 1 से ही start करना पड़ेगा. Why? Because 2n square formula is there. If we will put n is equal to 0, what will happen? Answer will be 0 means first shell में कुछ भी नहीं fill करना. It's not like that. So 1 is compulsory for principal quantum number. So we will start with 1. And L is equal to 0 we will take for the because it is subshells. L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 means L, if it is 0, its orbitals is S. 1 P that you have studied in earlier classes. 0, then it is S. L is equal to 1 P. L is equal to 2 D F. Orbitals are there. If any subshell, maximum number of electron will be 4L plus 2 electron means S के पास having maximum 2 electrons. P के पास, with this, filling this formula, will substitute S is equal to 0 in L 2 electrons means कि S ऑर्बिटल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल होंगे सबशेल में, P सबशेल में 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, D सबशेल में 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, F में 14 electrons will be filled. It gives information about the shape of the subshell. Means azimuthal में क्या देखा? एक हम लोगों ने ये फॉर्मूला देखा कि azimuthal is dependent on principal quantum number, right? With that we get to know about the subshells कि कौन से सबशेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फिल होंगे, राइट? अब उसके शेप के बारे में देखते हैं. इट गिव्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट शेप ऑफ सबशेल. मीन्स एस शेप जो है इट इज ऑफ स्फीयरिकल. P subshell is dumbbell, D is double dumbbell, F is eclipse. Magnetic quantum number which determines the orientation of subshell in any magnetic field is known as magnetic quantum number. M is magnetic quantum number. The value of M depends upon L. See, first what was there? Principal was azimuthal was depending on principal, and thus magnetic is dependent on azimuthal quantum number. The value of M depends upon L, or each value of L, the M will have a range from minus L to plus L. There, if agar L means principal quantum number, L means azimuthal quantum number. L is azimuthal quantum number. Therefore, M is equal to 0. Means L is equal to 1. M is, देखो अगर L 0 है तो M मीन्स मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर भी 0 होगा. लेकिन अगर L की वैल्यू 1 है तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है? माइनस L टू प्लस L. दैट मीन्स 1 है तो माइनस 1 टू 1 मीन्स 0 will also come in between those values. If S orbital is kept in magnetic field, it is not dissociated because of its spherical shape and direction less. The P or B subshell is getting oriented and it gives Z orbital. P जो subshell है उसका shape कैसा है? Dumbbell. It is getting oriented and so it is getting Z orbital. Whereas S orbital it is not dissociated. Why? Because it is having spherical shape and it is giving the Z orbital also. मीन्स मैग्नेटिक में क्या देखना है? इट फुल्ली डिपेंडेंट ऑन एजिमुथल क्वांटम नंबर. अगर एजिमुथल क्वांटम नंबर इज 1 देन इट्स वैल्यूज रेंजेस फ्रॉम -1 to 1 मीन्स इन बिटवीन एवरी नंबर. स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर में क्या हो रहा है? द नंबर विच गिव्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट स्पिनिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑन इट्स एक्सिस इज नोन एज स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर. खुद के ही एक्सिस पे रोटेशन, दैट इज स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर. बट it is denoted by S. The electron is rotating clockwise, then S is half. इसमें क्या है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन इज रोटेटिंग क्लॉकवाइज, तब उसकी वैल्यू प्लस हाफ होगी. लेकिन अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज इट इज रोटेटिंग, इट्स वैल्यू इज माइनस हाफ. दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस इन स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर, clockwise and anti-clockwise. This you write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.